Hi, Jennifer Roach here, and this is like week 3 of QuaranQueening, as I'm calling it. I've decided that my home is going to be called the OFAB Oasis, and since I painted a week and a half ago, I started really realizing how cluttered my own home is, and I want to start doing some stuff around my house, and I thought maybe it'd be a good time to show you guys the ways that OFAB, my business, goes in and helps people with their cluttered areas in their house. So I hope that's cool with you. I'm gonna start letting you see behind the curtain, seeing in my house and finding out how a real organizer doesn't want to organize when she comes home. Hope that works for everybody. So let's get started.